Hey guys, welcome back to Restoration Rescue. I'm Chris, and in today's video, we're gonna be ripping into this 318 Muncie transmission. All right guys, so we figured out what's going on and why we can't get this brake on, and we come right here. We had to cut off the tip of this ball joint to get it out because it was stuck, but these two ball joints are completely different. If you watch back in a couple videos ago in the bushings, and more bushings video, you see us put this one in and we tore the rubber. This is a deluxe one from Performance Online. This was their regular one from Performance Online. And this is what was causing the inability to have our brake go completely in. So Performance Online called them up, said, hey, I ordered the wrong one. I kind of destroyed one. Great company they are. They decided to send us one for free. Should be here in the next week or two. We'll get that up and make this thing a roller. So we're gonna hook up and we're gonna head on over to the transmission and get this thing started. So let's go. All right guys, so here we go. This is what we're gonna do. First and foremost, we're gonna drain the oil out if there is anything left. Then after that, we're gonna take off this bell housing. A lot of the oil came out. We're gonna try and not make too big of a mess today. A lot of the oil did come out back in episode 3 when we ripped the transmission off the motor and left a big pile out in the driveway. So let's get this thing open and let's move on and tearing this thing apart. All right, so that is the side cover, and what these two things right here are to shift. So like when you put the clutch in and you change gears, these things are gonna move and change gears. So now what we're gonna do together for the first time ever is check out what the inside of this transmission looks like. So I'm gonna remove this cover. Should remove pretty easily, or not. Let's see if maybe it's because of where I am in the gear. Or not. Driver. That too. That might help. There it is. Here we go. Just need a little persuasion. But here we go. All right. Oh wow. That looks phenomenal, to be honest. As you can see, is what we're really looking for to see whether or not we have a good transmission is these gears in here. And as you can see, like, it doesn't look like there's overwear, there's no chipping, no broken ones that I could see right off bat. So it looks pretty good. What this gear here does, this is like your selector gear for first and second gear. This is what's controlled by this right here, and it controls what gear you're in. It takes you out. When you see this, when it has, this is first and reverse, not first and second. Second and third gear are on their own. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna drop my hammer, and then we're gonna take the front shaft, part of the shaft off, and then we're gonna pull out the front tail shaft. And then what we're gonna do is take off the rear of this Muncie 318. So let's hit it, let's get these bolts off, and let's get this thing torn apart. All right, so next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this snap ring pliers that we got at O'Reilly's. It comes with a bunch of extra clips because you can remove, they are removable tips to change the top end. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this snap ring off, and the difference between today's snap rings and back in the day snap rings is that in today, there's gonna be 2 holes that you would literally put this in and you would space out like that. So in this one, there isn't. So you can see that there's just a hole. So what we're gonna do, and hopefully not blow up our faces, is open it and lift it, or try to, so that it can come off. It is a little bit harder. Oh, we got it, at least on that side. So now, let's see. All right, so this is the snap ring. It is completely off. Like I said before, you see it doesn't have the 2 holes like a newer one would where you just pull it out. So that was a little bit of a pain in the butt, but we got it out. So now we have noticed that we can't just pull the front shaft straight out because it's still connected to the rest of the transmission. So we referred to our manual, and what the manual says is we got to take off the tail shaft. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come back with our 5/8 socket and just start taking off the tail shaft. There it is. All right, so as you can see, there is what the book calls the main shaft, all completely out. And you can see that there is a snap ring that's in here, somewhat. And what we had to do, and what we had problems with, was separating it so that it lifted in out of the channel of here and into the channel of here, and then we had to take our good old-fashioned mallet and softly hit the back end of the shaft, as you saw, to get it out. But now, 100%, we have a disassembled, pretty much 100% disassembled. We just have to take these off of that and the bearing off, and we have a 100% disassembled Muncie 318 transmission. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We have completely torn down the 318 Muncie 3-speed transmission for you guys. Not many that do it. We've done it on here. We had some issues, but we were able to fight through it. We appreciate Tim being back from being sick. Really appreciate you being back, Tim. So glad to have you be back here. That's gonna be it again, but make sure you guys are commenting, liking, and subscribing to the videos for more. We'll be back next week when we rebuild this thing.